In this section, we're going to talk about using BitLocker to encrypt a hard drive in Windows 11. Off the Start menu, I'll type in BitLocker, and that will give me the option for the Manage BitLocker control panel. I'll click on that. This will pull up an interface showing my two hard drives. I've added a second hard drive to my demonstration machine. I'll click on that one, which is the E drive. And next to that, we have an option to turn on BitLocker. So I'll click on that. First, it's asking me how I would like to unlock this drive, and I'd like to go with the option of using a password. So it's going to ask me for a password. And then it's going to ask me to re-enter the password. I'll click Next. Then it's saying, where would you like to back up the recovery key? In a production environment, this should be backed up off of the computer onto a USB drive or a network drive. But just for the purposes of a demonstration, I'll just save it to a file on the C drive. Once I've done that, I can click Next. And it's asking how much of the drive I would like to encrypt. We can go either with only the used space or all space. I prefer to encrypt the entire drive, so I'll select that one and hit Next. Then it's asking me which encryption mode I'd like to use. The newest encryption mode is the strongest one, so I'll stick with the default of new encryption mode and click Next. Then it's asking me if I'm ready. I'll click Start Encrypting. For me, this will go very quickly because it's a very small drive. But if you have a large drive, this could take several minutes or even up to an hour. I'm going to close this control panel now and open up File Explorer. Go to the This PC option, and we'll see my E drive now has a lock icon on top of it, and it appears that the padlock is unlocked. So I can double click on it and work with it like it's any other drive. And just for purposes of the demonstration, I'll put a new text document in there. So this is the unlocked mode of BitLocker. Anytime I reboot the computer, the machine will automatically lock this drive and won't unlock it till I type in the password. So I can lock by doing a reboot, but there's also a command line that will help me lock the drive. So I'm going to open up a command prompt. And you'll need to run this command prompt as administrator. And on the user access control, click Yes. The command is manage-bde space -lock space and the drive letter you would like to lock, which for me is E, and the colon. So it's manage-bde space -lock space drive letter colon. And it says volume E is now locked. If we go back to Windows Explorer, we'll see the icon has changed and drive E is now locked. If I double click on it, I will be prompted for a password. I simply type in that password, and now the drive is unlocked and can be used normally. But for anyone who doesn't have the password, they would not be able to access this drive, and the contents would remain encrypted. Again, anytime I reboot the machine, this will automatically go back to the locked state.